Alright, so we're going to start a new Excel workbook. We're going to do that by selecting the red New button. Click Google Sheets in the drop-down menu. We're going to create a new sheet. Now we're going to input our plant transect data. Column A will have the plant growth habits, which will be forbs, grasses, shrubs, invasives, and succulents. Now put each growth habit in a single cell starting in A2 and go through A6. Then we want to put our group's name in cell B1. I'm going to be Team Dragon. Down below it, put the total number of plants we observed for each growth habit in cells B2 through B6. Now I'm going to highlight all of the data in columns A and B and rows 1 through 6. And I'm going to create a bar chart. So I'm going to click Insert, then select Chart in the drop-down menu. I'm going to make sure the bar chart is selected. Okay, so here's my bar chart, and this is going to be the best representation of my data. So I'm going to edit the axis and title. I'm going to right-click on the y-axis and select Edit Left Vertical Axis Title. I'm going to type in plant count. Now I'm going to add a title to the x-axis as well by right-clicking on the x-axis, selecting Axis, then selecting Horizontal Axis Title. I'm going to call the x-axis Plant Growth Habit. Alright, now once I have that all typed up, I'm going to make sure that my teacher has come by and checked this out. While that's happening, I can edit my chart title. Right now it says Team Dragon, but that doesn't really represent what the data is. So I'm going to make it say Plant Transect Data, Team Dragon. That's a little better. From here I can change the font type, I can change the color of the bar graph. I can really do a lot to this chart. Okay, so now I think we're ready to add a second group's data to our chart. So we were group Dragon, so our second group will be group 2. Okay, so let's enter in all of our plant data for group 2. I'm going to follow the same exact steps that I went through previously. Select Insert Chart, Bar Chart. Okay, and we now have two charts, both clear representations of our data, and they're nice and neat bar charts that can be copied and pasted onto PowerPoint. Before I do anything with this chart, I want to change the horizontal axis title and the vertical axis title, as well as the chart title, like I did before. So take a moment and do that just like you did before, and you're all done.